The magic of rainbows. Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a beautiful rainbow stretching across it, splashing colors everywhere? It's like nature's own magic trick. But behind this magical appearance, there's a wonderful science story. A rainbow begins its journey with something very simple: rain. Imagine the sky filled with tiny raindrops, like little beads hovering in the air. Now, think about the sun. It shines its warm light, full of colors we can't see. When sunlight hits these raindrops, magic happens. Here's how it works. As sunlight enters a raindrop, the light slows down and bends, just like when you dip a straw into a glass of water and the straw looks bent. This is called refraction. The light bends because the raindrop acts like a tiny lens, changing the light's path. Once inside the raindrop, something fascinating occurs. The light bounces off the back of the raindrop, a process known as reflection, just like bouncing a ball off the ground. As the light exits the raindrop, it bends again, showing off its colorful smile. But why do we see a band of colors? The sunlight is made up of many colors mixed together, some we see and others we don't. When light passes through the raindrop, it separates into different colors because different colors of light bend at slightly different angles. The beautiful order of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, these are the colors of merry sunshine we call a rainbow. Red appears on the outer part of the rainbow because it bends the least, while violet bends the most, falling inside the arch. When these perfectly bent colors emerge from the raindrop, arranged in their orderly fashion, they spread across the sky, creating the rainbow we admire. Now here's a surprising fact. A rainbow is actually a complete circle, but we usually see only half of it because the ground gets in the way. Some lucky people can see a full circle of a rainbow if they are high up, like in an airplane. Next time you see a rainbow, remember it's a dance of sunlight and raindrops, a magical showpiece painted on the sky just for you to admire. Isn't science just beautifully magical?